activity is called Sink or Float. You can hear Lewin. And what we're going to do is we're going to record the items, we're going to make a prediction, and then we're going to write down what actually happened. So in order to do this, you need a clear container and some water and some fruit to test. I did not have a clear bowl, so I'm going to go ahead and use this vase. So here's our water. Miss Anna, Princess Anna, can you show us the orange? Okay, good job. Okay, Anna, shall I call you Anna? Mm-hmm. Anna, do you predict that this orange will sink, or do you think it will float?
I think it will float.
You think it's going to float? Okay. So we've recorded the orange, and my assistant here determined that she thinks it's going to float. Let's see what happens. Okay, go ahead. What happened?
It floats.
It floated! Good job. Well done, scientist. All right, so we recorded the result was float. So now my assistant is going to test what is that, Jude?
A lemon.
A lemon. Do you think the lemon will sink or float?
I think sink or float.
Which one do you think? It's
sink.
You think it's going to sink? Okay. Okay, my assistant here thinks that the lemon will sink. Let's see what happens. Put it in there. What happened?
It floats.
It floats! Oh my gosh, isn't that amazing? So we've recorded that the lemon actually floated. Our next assignment is to see, what about a lime? So, assistant, lime, will it sink or will it float?
I think sink.
You think it's going to sink? Let's check it out.
And I also think it might float.
Try the lime. Let's see what happens. This is unusual. Go ahead. Drop it. Ooh, bonk. Some of you may get different results, but our lime definitely floated.
Now can we do the apple?
Do you want to do an apple?
Yes.
Okay, so my question is, will it sink or will it float?
I think it might sink.
You think it might got the apple on your head. I love it. So you're going to test that. So you think it's going to sink. Let's see what happens. Will it fit?
Yeah, that is working.
Oh my gosh. Were you surprised? Oh my gosh, it floated, didn't it? Okay, Princess Anna has now decided that perhaps a banana would be the next thing to test, right? So there's your banana. And what do you think? Is it going to sink or is it going to float?
Sink.
You think it's going to sink? Okay, let's try it. Oh, it seems, well, it's hard to tell if it's because it's so big.
It sinks.
Do you think it's sunk? Well, it doesn't really seem to be touching the bottom. I was a little concerned about our container being inappropriately shaped. So I got our little spinach container here. And look, the banana floats.
Sink.
What do you think is going to happen with the strawberry?
Sink.
You think sink? Okay, let's try it in the little one first. Oh, it floats. Try it in the big one.
Definitely floats.
It's definitely gonna float. It definitely does float.
Look at you go, buddy.
Oh, good job grabbing that out of
I think we're
there.
going to do the blackberries and the last chance is them.
The blackberry?
Yeah.
Okay, here's your blackberry. What do you think? Sink or float?
Sink.
Sink? You are right. It sunk to the bottom. Oh my god. Right in the smaller one now. And it sank. Now, why do you think something so small sank when all the other things floated?
Because I think it's small and it sinks when it's small.
It sinks when it's small. Okay, that's a good idea. Maybe that's true. So, scientists, what have you decided to experiment with now?
Tomato.
Do you think it's going to sink or float?
Float.
You think it's going to float? Okay, let's try it. Drop it in there. So right, it's totally floating. All right, you gonna try it in the short one? Okay, let's see what happens. It's kind of sitting on the bottom. That's interesting.
It floats.
I think there might be something to do with the amount of water. What do you think about that idea?
So this,
We're trying acorn squash. I don't think it's going to fit in there. Do you want to try in here? See if maybe it fits in there? Well, it looks like it sank, huh? There
go
you go.
dry it.
Go dry it. Okay. Now a little baby apple sink. Oh,
Hey Ryan, it's
That's
Kevin
what-
Smith.
floating.
Hey, another crazy idea to bounce off you.
Do you want to put it in the other one?
Give me a call
See if
when
it
you have a
sinks or
minute.
floats?